Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I am going to teach you how to make a stuffed chicken recipe Tuscan style. That's correct, a stuffed Tuscan chicken recipe that is served with pasta. It is extremely delicious, very tasteful, and yes, it does have veggies. If you guys would like to know how I made this dish, then this is the video for you. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone, the first thing that I do is make sure that I have some thick chicken breast. I am going to cut a slit into my chicken breast. As you can see here, you have two ends of the chicken breast. You can use a knife or scissors. I'm going to show you how I did it with this knife first. So make sure that you are not all the way at the ends, but in the center of the chicken when you get ready to start to make a slit into your breast, as you can see that I am doing here. I do not cut all the way to the back of the chicken breast because we are trying to make a pocket into our chicken breast so that we are able to stuff our chicken breast. See the pocket here for our chicken breast so that we will be able to stuff. Do not cut all the way to the end. Ta-da! Easy and simple, correct? Yes, it is. Okay, so now after you have cut slits into your chicken breast, let's make the stuffing for our breast. We are going to use some delicious herb cream cheese, some Parmesan cheese, that's grated Parmesan as well. We are going to use some delicious shredded cheddar cheese, sharp shredded cheddar cheese. I grated it myself from the block. And then we are going to use some delicious mozzarella cheese. That's correct, some delicious mozzarella cheese. And we're only going. Now that we have our cheeses in, let's go ahead and let's add just 2 teaspoons of black pepper. 2 to 3 teaspoons of black pepper. You do need some seasoning. We don't have to add anything else because remember, we're having garlic herb Philadelphia cream cheese. Okay, now we're going to add our green onions, some say scallions, and some chopped baby spinach. And go ahead and mix that together, you guys. Mix it really, really well. Combine it so that you can get all of those flavors. Remember, don't add any salt because cheese has salt to it already. And don't forget the other onions, regular diced onion as well. Okay? So mix everything together. And then let's get ready to stuff the inside of our chicken breast. So make sure you have gloves on like I'm using here because this can get pretty messy. There is no way to get around making a mess, stuffing the pockets of the breast. Okay, don't overstuff them. Make sure that you stuff it enough whereas you can close it so that it doesn't completely ooze out once cooking it because you know cheese gets oozy, 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 gooey. Okay. And you're going to stuff all of your chicken breasts. I'm only using 3, you guys. You guys may be using more. So the mixture that I made was a little more than I needed. Next, you're going to go in and you are going to place toothpicks in your chicken breast so as to close them. So that while you're cooking them, all of your filling doesn't come completely out, okay? Because it's going to come out just a little, but you don't want it to come completely out once you are cooking your breast, okay? So use enough toothpicks to close it perfectly. Now, after you have closed your chicken breast with your toothpick, let's season the outside of our chicken. I am using a little black pepper on each side. To me, use a good amount of black pepper. We want flavor. People don't want to eat chicken that is tasteless, okay? But when it comes to salt, we are going to use some salt, but use a small amount of salt. And if you don't want to use salt, you don't have to because some of the other ingredients that we are going to use will have salt in them. So you don't have to put that on the outside of your chicken breast if you choose not to. Now I'm going to use some paprika. If you don't have paprika, you can use chili powder, or you can just use some seasoned salt and black pepper, okay? But make sure that you season both sides of your breast. Now, here we have our 1 cup of flour. And to our flour, we're going to add some black pepper, some of that paprika, or slap your mama season, some Louisiana seasoning, some Tony Saturated seasoning. Just season your flour. It doesn't really matter, or you can just use something simple as salt and pepper, okay? And just no garlic powder, because remember, our chicken is stuffed already on the inside with garlic and herbs, okay? So go ahead and mix that flour together to make sure that the seasoning is in there well. Lightly coat your chicken on the outside. The chicken breast, make sure that you lightly coat your chicken breast on the outside. It doesn't have to be dipped in an egg wash at all. You don't need it to be crispy to make this delicious stuffed chicken for our stuffed Tuscan chicken recipe. Your family will enjoy it, your friends will enjoy it, and ladies, if you want to wow your man, then this is a go-to recipe for you. It's not hard, it's easy. Takes a little more time than regular, but he will enjoy this meal. Shake all excess flour off. Make sure that you have your skillet heating up while you are flouring your chicken. Go ahead to your heated up skillet and add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I have a large skillet here, okay? So I'm using about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, just some regular oil. Now put your chicken in the pan, and you're going to cook both sides until nice and golden brown. You're trying to get a good sear on it. So that takes about 4 minutes per side. 4 minutes per side for your chicken breast. Remember, these breasts are thick. It's not going to cook all the way through yet because we do have to place our chicken breast in the oven. Okay? Once you get a delicious, nice, ooh, look at that beautiful golden brown crust that we have on our chicken breast. Nicely seared here, you guys. Nicely seared. Turn it over to the other side and sear the other side, and make sure that you get a nice golden crust outside for 4 more minutes on the other side of our stuffed chicken breast. Yummy. Yummy to my tummy. So now they are completely done after cooking 4 minutes per side on our chicken breast to make sure that they are seared. And I'm going to transfer this to another pan as to bake them in the oven at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay? 15 minutes. Go ahead and let's get ready to saute up some green onions, some sliced cherry tomatoes that I sliced myself, and some regular diced onions, okay? When sauteing your veggies, it will take about 4 minutes. Make sure that you do get a lot of that excess oil out or any burnt ends from the skillet from where you cooked your chicken, okay? After your veggies are nice and translucent, go ahead and add in 1 cup of chicken broth, okay? Mix that in and scrape that bottom really well, okay? Scrape it, because we are going to use all of these flavors. After you add in your chicken broth, go ahead and add in some heavy whipping cream. Here I am using about 2.5 cups of whipping cream. That's heavy whipping cream. We want to make sure that this is nice and smooth and creamy, delicious sauce for our stuffed Tuscan chicken. That's right, stuffed chicken breast. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Sofrito is a tomato-based flavoring. It has green bell peppers, red bell peppers, garlic powder, onion, some cilantro as well. I'm going to use some black pepper, some salt, just a little salt, If you don't want any salt, omit. You do not have to add the salt because remember the chicken broth may have salt in it. I'm also adding some Parmesan cheese to help thicken our sauce up. Okay, use grated Parmesan. You can use the Parmesan by Kraft in the green bottle. You don't have to use the same exact Parmesan that I am using here. Stir it really well because the Parmesan will thicken up the sauce. Yummy. Okay, you guys, we're grooving. We're almost there. Now, if you do have tomato paste, go ahead and use you about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, like today, I'm out of tomato paste, but I do have some powdered tomato chicken bouillon. So I am going to go ahead and add in some more of my Parmesan cheese first. I'm going to stir that together, mix it really well, and I'm going to add in those 2 tablespoons of the tomato powder that I have. To base this out with some acidity, I gave a squirt, which is about a tablespoon of lemon juice. If you have a lemon, go ahead and just squeeze the lemon so as to not get the seeds in there. Okay, add the lemon juice in, and trust me, this will balance it out. If you don't have lemon juice or chicken broth, if you have some white wine, go ahead and use your white wine. Okay, now that our chicken breasts are done, make sure that you pull your toothpicks out before placing it into your skillet. But go ahead and add your chicken, your stuffed chicken breast with the spinach to your skillet, okay? And we are going to allow our chicken breast to simmer in this Tuscan sauce that we have made to add some more delicious flavor. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so delicious. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Please try it. It is extremely delicious, and trust me, your family and friends will enjoy it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave lots of comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you and have a great day, and thank you for joining Cooking with TK.